I'd like to give a brief overview of some of the summary pages in the project tracker. So as partners, you'll be entering your own projects in your own geographic regions, but other partners will be entering their projects. So the project tracker will have a comprehensive view of the different projects happening throughout the basin. And all of that project data is rolled up and summarized on different pages in the project tracker. The program info menu gives an overview of how you can view that project information, summarized by project type, by focal species, by implementation and ecological results, and also by geographic regions, such as watersheds, those priority focus areas. And then there's some more detailed pages that if you want to dive into a specific organization, for instance, you can come here, find that organization in the list, and view all of the project information summarized at that organization level, including project locations, the lists of the projects and proposals, and then expenditures and accomplishments. I'm going to highlight just a few of these pages, but for the purposes of this demo, I'm going to jump over to the Clackamas Partnership project tracker. They have a little bit more information loaded into their project tracker. So let's say I'm interested in exploring this program info menu and see, oh, they've got limiting factors in the Clackamas Partnership. We've got limiting factors in John Day as well. Let's see what they're doing here. So by clicking into that first page here, I see that the Clackamas Partnership is organizing their projects by ecological concern and limiting factor. So if I'm specifically interested in impaired upstream passage, you can click into there. The map will give you an overview of just the projects that are related to the impairing upstream passage ecological concern. And further down, you can see just those projects that are related to road crossings. Let's say I'm interested in learning more about the impaired upstream passage. So I've drilled down into this specific ecological concern. On this page, you get an overview of the project locations, so where each of those are taking place. Any accomplishments, so in this case, stream habitat made accessible, and this is showing by the barrier type. So there's 5 miles of partial barrier in 2018 and 4 miles of partial barrier in 2019 there. If I scroll on down, there's more information about this ecological concern, including those limiting factors that we just saw on the other page, and a list of the projects. If I'm interested in the Johnson Creek Watershed Council, let's see what else they're doing. So here we are in an organizations page where it's showing me all of the projects that the Johnson Creek Watershed Council is doing. You can explore this a little, get some information about those specific projects, and dive directly into the more detailed view of a specific project on the project fact sheet. So then at any point you can jump back up and maybe say, all right, let's see, this project is contributing to fall Chinook, Pacific lamprey, and spring Chinook. From the program info, you can get an overview of each of those focal species as well. Let's say we're interested in Pacific lamprey. So those are just a few examples of the different roll-up reporting pages throughout the project tracker that the project information contributes directly to.